Does investing feel harder than ever? You're not imagining it. Planning for retirement or trying to grow your wealth can feel like riding a roller coaster designed by a madman, and inflation isn't helping. The truth is, it's not just you. We're drowning in information, Reddit, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, all giving conflicting advice. Too much noise leads to paralysis. You either buy out of FOMO or do nothing out of fear. That's not investing, it's stress. Then there's the all-time high paradox. Stocks keep hitting record highs, but it feels risky to invest. Stay in cash and inflation eats your savings. Buy now and you fear a crash. Our brains are wired to fear losses, making it hard to stay the course. And the era of easy money is over. Low interest rates are gone, inflation is higher, and stocks are more concentrated than ever. If you're not in the top few tech winners, it can feel unfair and discouraging. But here's the truth. The hardest time to invest is always now. The best strategy isn't timing the market, it's time in the market. Focus on your plan, block out the noise, and stick with it.